friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious Indian dessert. It's Double Ka Meetha. It's a very easy and simple dessert, so let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. We need about 10 slices of bread which is cut into triangles. I've cut the corners also. Today I've taken 10 slices. Now heat oil in a pan and let's fry the bread pieces. Keep the flame in medium so that the bread does not burn. It should be in a nice golden brown color. Turn it around and fry it till the bread is nice and golden. You can see now the color is perfect. Let's remove the bread slices from the hot oil and place it on a plate with a tissue paper. Similarly, let's fry all bread slices and keep it aside. Now all our bread slices are crispy and nice. Now let's prepare the sugar syrup. For that I've taken about 1 glass of sugar. This is a 250 ml glass. So in the same glass, let's measure about 1 glass of water and add it to the sugar. And let it boil. Now add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. You don't need a very sticky consistency. You have to just dissolve the sugar in the water. Now in another pan, let's add about 1 liter of milk. I've taken about 4 glasses of milk. And let's start preparing the cream. For that I'm adding about 1 glass of sugar. Let the milk boil and the sugar dissolve in the milk. You can see simultaneously the sugar syrup is also getting ready and the cream mixture is also getting ready. You can see that the sugar is all dissolved, so keep it aside. Now in a bowl take about 2 teaspoons of cornflour and mix a little water in it and make a cornflour slurry. Let's add the cornflour slurry into the milk so that the milk becomes nice and thick. It has to come to a cream consistency. Now you can see that our milk is boiling. Let's add about half teaspoon of cardamom powder. And also add the cornflour slurry and mix the milk thoroughly. We need the milk to come to a nice creamy consistency. Check the sweetness, and if you want to add a little more cardamom powder, you can add. You can see that our milk is becoming nice and thick. At this stage, let's sprinkle some saffron to get a nice color and flavor to the milk. As soon as you add the saffron, you can see that the milk gets a nice flavor and it changes into a pale yellow color. You can see the color of the milk has changed. The milk is nice and thick. Keep the flame in medium and keep stirring so that the milk does not get burnt. Now our milk mixture is almost ready. Now let's start plating the Double Ka Meetha. Take each fried bread slices, dip it in the sugar syrup, soak it on both sides and start plating it in a tray. So similarly, repeat it with all the bread slices and start plating them in a tray. Always remember to serve the Double Ka Meetha immediately after plating. So if you are preparing it for a party, do the soaking process finally. Now after placing the sugar syrup slices, add the milk cream on top of the bread as shown in this video. This is our first layer. So let's repeat it for the second layer of the bread. Now I'm placing the second layer in the sugar syrup soaked bread. And pour some cream on top of the bread. So let's repeat the same process till we have finished with all the bread slices. That's it friends, our delicious Double Ka Meetha is ready. Garnish it with some saffron and serve it hot. So friends, like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.